Indonesia is known as a country with abundant natural resources, the highest biodiversity in the world, and the largest number of MSMEs as drivers of the people's economy. However, in the midst of this great potential, Indonesia still faces serious challenges in realizing sustainable development, especially among MSME players who still lack ESG and SDG literacy. So, what is the solution?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan, Rahayu. Let us to introduce ourselves. I am Rismawati Octavia Putri Jasmine and my college,
Marikliar Nandanyulano from
State Polytechnic of Malang.
will present our poster with the title is
Sustainika, accelerating the vocational accounting student through ESG, SDGs, based digital platform innovation to empower MSMEs and realize sustainable accounting.
Sustainika is an effort to accelerate the role of accounting vocational students in encouraging the transformation of MSMEs towards sustainable business practices through ESG and SDGs based digital platform.
Background of the research, the strategy role of MSMEs in the economy and sustainable development. Directorate General of Treasury, Ministry of Finance, in an article titled Great MSMEs Improve National Economy, it is stated that based on data from the Ministry of Cooperative and SMEs, the number of MSMEs currently reach 64.2 million with a contribution to GDP of 61.07%. The contribution of MSMEs to the Indonesian economy includes the ability to absorb approximately 117 million workers or 97% of the total workforce and can rise up to 60.4% of total investment. In the midst of increasing global awareness of the climate crisis, national trends are also encouraging the transition to a green and sustainability economy, including through decarbonization initiative and environmentally friendly production. A number of MSMEs have begun to innovate using recycled material, renewable energy, and waste reduction, indicating the potential for sustainable business practice. Second, gaps in ESG implementation and sustainability accounting in MSMEs. Despite their potential, most MSMEs have not systematically applied environmental, social, and governance principles, or Sustainable Development Goal or SDGs. This is due to limited ESG literacy, the absence of sustainability accounting recording system, and the dominance of short-term economic orientation. MSMEs do not have the tool or knowledge to record and report the environmental and social impact of their business activities, which ultimately hinders their involvement in the national sustainability agenda. Third, the need for intervention through the role of student and digital innovation. The Indonesia government has regulated the involvement of all parties in achieving SDGs through Presidential Regulation Number 5927 and RPJMM 2020 until 2024. However, implementation at the MSME level is still minimal. On the other hand, accounting students have practical skill in financial record keeping and technology, and great potential as agent of change. With the support of digital technology, students can play an active role in developing an ESG SDGs-based digital platform that is able to assist MSMEs in recording, reporting, and sustainability education in an inclusive and targeted manner.
The next is urgency of the problem. Although MSMEs are the backbone of the national economy with significant contribution to GDP, employment, and investment, most MSME players are still not actively involved in the sustainability agenda. The lack of understanding and recording system based on ESG and SDGs means that environmental and social aspects have not been integrated into their business operation. In fact, in the midst of global demand for a green economy and the challenges of the climate crisis, the transformation of MSMEs towards sustainable business practice is crucial. This gap needs to be bridged through strategic intervention involving the younger generation, especially accounting vocational students who have practical competencies and technological literacy. Without innovation and targeted digital assistance, MSMEs will be left behind in the transition to inclusive and competitive sustainability. Goals and benefits. The first is bridging MSMEs to green financing and impact investors through an integrated digital platform. Second is advancing ESG and SDGs literacy among MSMEs through accessible and relevant education. Next is strengthening financial reporting capacity of MSMEs through direct mentoring by vocational accounting students. And the last is establishing a collaborative ESG SDGs-based digital platform connecting MSMEs, student, and sustainability ecosystem. Sustainica Innovation Concept. Sustainica is a collaborative digital platform innovation based on environmental, social, and governance principles and sustainable development goals designed to accelerate the role of accounting vocational students in assisting MSMEs towards sustainable business and accounting practices. Our focus is on MSMEs that are already interested in the concept of sustainability and green economy that pay attention to the triple bottom line aspect. This platform innovation can be accessed through Instagram social media, namely at sustainica.id and the website. Through the integration of educational feature, mentoring, ESG reporting, and access to green funding, Sustainica becomes a strategic bridge between the world of vocational education and the real needs of MSME players in the era of transition.
Implementation of solution Sustainica. This feature provides education to the community, especially MSMEs. This educational program has many events such as accounting training, ESG webinars, educational content on social media, the latest news update, and many more. By opening this webpage or through Sustainica social media, everyone can easily register and access it. MSMEs Assistance. This feature is a bridge between students and communities that need assistance. The student will help through Sustainica by directing and consulting problem experienced by MSMEs, especially related to ESG and accounting. Investor and funding. This feature connects sustainable MSMEs with ESG investor through application form and business profile search. Sustainica also helps communities engage in the sustainable sector and experience capital constraint to secure investment through promotion on social media and working with environmental communities so that investor or customer can be attracted to the product of this sustainable MSMEs.
The success indicator of the Sustainica program include increased ESG SDGs literacy of MSMEs through structured education, growth in reporting quality and sustainable market access, increased public awareness through digital campaigns, active involvement of vocational students in mentoring, and effectiveness of guidance as reflected in the number and quality of ESG-based financial reports. So, from our presentation on Sustainica, it can be concluded that Sustainica is an innovative solution that involves vocational accounting students in helping sustainable MSMEs to capitalize on the potential of ESG and SDGs. By connecting students, MSMEs, and investors, Sustainica directly contributes to the growth of more transparent and sustainable MSMEs, as well as accelerating the implementation of sustainable accounting principles that can open up access to green funding and wider markets. This innovation can also indirectly preserve the environment and the earth by upholding the values of ESG and SDGs.
That's all from our presentation. Hopefully it can be useful and increase knowledge. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Growing with Sustainica, growing sustainably.